आप इस बिज़नेस की रजिस्ट्रेशन करानी है, ये प्रोसेस है, ये रजिस्ट्रेशन है, ये परमिट चाहिए होगा, या क्या रेगुलेटरी रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, हाउ डिड यू आस्क समवन, हाउ डिड यू गेट टू नो अबाउट इट?
आई थिंक द फर्स्ट जब प्रोसेस में ही था, जब वी वर डूइंग द होल कंस्ट्रक्शन सिचुएशन वाज हैपनिंग, एवरीथिंग वाज गोइंग थ्रू, तो उसी वक्त मुझे पता लगा कि आपको तो परमिशन भी लेनी पड़ती है दुकान में कितनी चीजें करवाने की या कुछ तोड़ ताड़ने की, ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो फर्स्ट वाज दैट कमिंग टू अ पॉइंट कि अच्छा 15 दिन काम रुके रहेगा, क्योंकि पहले आपको जाना है किसी XYZ ऑफिस, वहां से आपको जो है डॉक्यूमेंटेशन करवानी है, आपको परमिशन लेनी है.
जैसे अभी आप बता रही थी कि रजिस्ट्रेशंस के लिए बहुत सारे डिफरेंट ऑफिस में, एक ऑफिस फिर दूसरा ऑफिस, फिर वो आपको बोले इधर नहीं उधर. सो इस सारे प्रोसेस में आई मीन ऑब्वियसली मर्द हजरात तो ये काम करते रहते हैं, बट बीइंग अ वुमन एज एन औरत, आपको लगा कि आपके लिए ज़्यादा मुश्किल था या आपको डिस्कम्फर्ट फील हुआ, या यू फेल्ट कि यार ये इतने चक्कर क्यों लगवा रहे हैं?
नहीं, 100%, बिकॉज मेरा काम इन्वॉल्व्स ओनली विमेन. मेरे पूरे आई इवन इन माई वर्क प्लेस वी ओनली हैव विमेन. So to face men and so many men in one office and then going in there and having that masculine energy also is very
Exhausting.
very exhausting. Honestly.
हमने भी बात की कि आपने बताया कि अलग अलग ऑफिस के चक्कर और सारा कुछ, क्या आपको ऐसा कभी हुआ कि यू केम थ्रू और केम अक्रॉस अ स्कैम और आपके साथ कोई धोखा, कोई फ्रॉड कुछ हुआ हो? क्योंकि इन सारे कामों में ये चीज़ें भी अनफॉर्चुनेटली होती हैं.
True that. With me, alhamdulillah, thank God that I didn't have to go through a scam, but someone I know did go through a scam.
I think digitization has played a very important
It
role
really
in this.
has, and I hope it further does as well. And new things come to us, and more, हमारे कामों के लिए और smoothness हो.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, मैं हूँ शार्लीन अंसारी, आपकी होस्ट, और आपको वेलकम करती हूँ एस पॉडकास्ट सीरीज़ की एक और नई और एक्साइटिंग एपिसोड में, विमेन हु मीन बिजनेस, जहाँ पे वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग द जर्नी ऑफ इंस्पायरिंग एंड डायनामिक विमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हु आर नॉट ओनली फ्लरिशिंग देमसेल्व्स and inspiring others also to follow. They're actually paving a way for a lot of women to follow them. और जैसे कि हमने लास्ट टाइम भी आपकी मुलाकात एक बहुत ज़बरदस्त एंटरप्रेन्योर से कराई थी, गुलाली खान आफरीदी के साथ. वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू वेलकम हर अगैन टू द शो विद अस टुडे. गुलाली खान आफरीदी जो कि एक डायनामिक एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं, हु इज़ रनिंग अ वंडरफुल सैलॉन एंड ऑल्सो अ रेस्टोरेंट. दो ऐसी इंडस्ट्रीज़ जहाँ पे बहुत कंपेटिटिवनेस होती है, वहाँ पे गुलाली ने अपना नाम भी बनाया है और अपना काम भी दिखाया है. सो आइए दोबारा से वेलकम करते हैं गुलाली खान को. थैंक यू गुलाली फॉर जॉइनिंग अस टुडे. So like you mentioned earlier, Abhi, when you were around 21 maybe, and you started off, like properly registration करना, business शुरू करने का जब आपने properly सोचा, जब आपने outer world से connect किया, तो उस outer world को connect करने के दौरान आपको कैसे पता चला कि अब इस business की registration करानी है, ये process है, ये registration है, ये permit चाहिए होगा, या क्या regulatory requirements हैं? How did you ask someone? How did you get to know about it?
I think the first जब प्रोसेस में ही था, जब वी वर डूइंग द होल कंस्ट्रक्शन सिचुएशन वाज हैपनिंग, एवरीथिंग वाज गोइंग थ्रू, तो उसी वक्त मुझे पता लगा कि आपको तो परमिशन भी लेनी पड़ती है दुकान में कितनी चीज़ें करवाने की या कुछ तोड़ ताड़ने की, ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो फर्स्ट वाज दैट कमिंग टू अ पॉइंट कि अच्छा 15 दिन काम रुके रहेगा, क्योंकि पहले आपको जाना है किसी XYZ ऑफिस, वहाँ से आपको जो है डॉक्यूमेंटेशन करवानी है, आपको परमिशन लेनी है, आपको वो सारा काम करना है, क्योंकि बाहर जो है AC एक certain पोजीशन में लगाने के लिए भी you need permission for that.
Really?
Yeah, you can't place an AC anywhere. You have to take permission for that also.
Yeah.
So I didn't know that. I didn't know just to install an AC you needed permission for that as well. तो खैर वो चीज़ पहला वो आया, अच्छा जी 15-20 दिन का गैप है अब, या उसमें आपको रेंट भी चढ़ रहा है, बिकॉज यू डिडंट हैव द परमिशन. आपने परमिशन ले ली. मैंने अपने इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर को भी बोला, व्हाई डिडंट यू नॉट टेल मी, एंड द डिज़ाइनर इज लाइक, आई थॉट यू न्यू. आई डिडंट नो, दिस वाज योर जॉब टू टेल मी. बट खैर दैट थिंग हैपेंड. एक परमिशन इशू आया, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन गोइंग फ्रॉम दिस ऑफिस टू दैट, and then not getting the right knowledge as well from the right information from one office also. They'll send you to another office, that office will send you to that office, and then the constant hopping from one office to another was also such, you know, a juggle for me. You know, it was so, ek to time and then energy, you know, you waste so much only in that process, only because you didn't have that certain information, you know. And yeah, you know, this one thing was that maybe, you know, also stopped me later in life to get into the documentations or the further documentations, you know. And again, because मुझे कि यार अब और कितनी documentations लानी हो, और कितने taxes भरने हैं, और कहाँ कहाँ register करना है. Because आपको हर एक नए season में पता चलता था कि अब यहाँ भी register होना है, अब यहाँ की भी registration है, अब वहाँ की registration है. So I mean, I feel like if I had S Boss 10 years ago and एक platform पे ही अगर मेरे पास सारी चीज़ें होती तो घर बैठे बैठे मैं I could have done all of this rather than, you know, hopping from one office to another and coming out disappointed and frustrated. आप वो तो अलग ही है कि आप disappoint हो रहे हो, आप frustrate भी हो जाते हो, you know. You don't want to do all of that. You want to look back at, do you want to go back to work or do you want to do all of this?
So जैसे अभी आप बता रही थी कि registrations के लिए you know बहुत सारे different offices में, एक ऑफिस फिर दूसरा ऑफिस, फिर वो आपको बोले इधर नहीं उधर. So इस सारे process में I mean obviously मर्द हजरात तो ये काम करते रहते हैं, but being a woman as an औरत, आपको लगा कि आपके लिए ज़्यादा मुश्किल था या आपको discomfort feel हुआ या you felt कि यार ये इतने चक्कर क्यों लगवा रहे हैं?
नहीं, 100%, because मेरा काम involves only women. मेरे पूरे like even in my workplace we only have women.
Yeah.
So to face men and so many men in one office and then going in there and having that masculine energy also is very
Exhausting.
very exhausting. Honestly, because you know, I think since my childhood I've been in a very women feminine energy and, you know, being around women only. So to break through from that, offices and everything just get to me, honestly. And it's not very easy. So for every you know, newbie or in a way, you know, I was starting fresh only, coming out from home, although I had worked 3-4 years, but that helped me in my skills, not in how to face the outer world, you know. So once I came out commercially working and then going to these offices and talking to them and doing all of that was hard. And not only that, when you don't know where all to go or what to do, how to register, how to you know, be a filer even, I had no idea. And I think for good 2 or 1 year I was not a filer until I remember I had to apply for a visa. And my friend suggested me, you know, if you were a filer, you could have easily gotten visa for so and so, you know, bigger countries. It would have been much easier for you because, you know, they know you have a certain business and you're not going to be just moving there or illegally or any of that situation. So that was also one of the reasons for me to be a filer. क्योंकि मैंने इतना चीज़ें face कर ली थी already पहले ही साल में. इस चीज़ की परमिशन लो, ये करो वो करो, कि मेरा दिल नहीं था to go to these offices. Honestly speaking, I didn't have the heart, I didn't have the energy to even go to their offices, to even think about going to their offices, you know. So but then obviously himmat kiya, I was like, okay, you know, it's time I unlock another stage, you know. So I was like, okay, I'll register myself. So safely, alhamdulillah, that happened for me. You know, I involved you know, my dad in that, so he helped me with that you know, eventually. But yeah, you know, it was not easy to go to these offices and then have all those men talk to you in a certain way also, because yeah, you know, that is one problem for us.
Unfortunately, society is still evolving on that part.
It's still evolving, you know. You don't want to go through all of that.
But you did, mashallah.
I did, and I'm glad I did, and I had the courage and I had the push to do that, because एक point पे आके ना आप रुक जाते हो, especially when things start happening or minor little things also really bother you. So yeah, I'm glad that, you know, I had the courage to move forward and to keep going on.
Yeah. So keeping this in mind, जैसे हमने अभी बात की कि आपने बताया कि अलग अलग ऑफिस के चक्कर और सारा कुछ क्या आपको ऐसा कभी हुआ कि यू केम थ्रू और केम अक्रॉस अ स्कैम और आपके साथ कोई धोखा, कोई फ्रॉड कुछ हुआ हो? क्योंकि इन सारे कामों में ये चीज़ें भी
बहुत
अनफॉर्चुनेटली
हैं,
होती हैं.
true that. With me, alhamdulillah, thank God that I didn't have to go through a scam, but someone I know did go through a scam.
Oh, okay.
Because they were working from home. So, like me, मेरा तो चले कुछ साल मैंने इतना काम कर लिया था कि I had people telling me and guiding me a little bit. So, but that person was a newbie, had a startup working from home, and he was a doctor. उसको हमारे फ्रेंड सर्कल में ही किसी ने स्टूपिड बनाया, said that you have so tax to be paid, and he said, oh my god, I don't know, can you help me with that? Now that you know about it, can you rather help me into it? So he said, yeah, I'll tell you by tomorrow. The next day he comes up to that doctor friend of mine and says, you have 6 mil worth of tax that has to be paid.
Oh.
And my poor friend, doctor friend, was like, okay, fine, I'll give it to you. Usne 4 mil de diya and bola, rest I'll give you in a day or two. अब जब तक वो चीज़ पूरी हो रही थी, he had already paid 40 lakh rupees for a tax that was not supposed to be paid.
Oh my God.
For a scam tax. I remember when I went to him for my procedure, so he told me, how are you dealing with these taxes? I was just asked to pay so much so. And I was like, okay, did you get an email? He said, no. I was like, well, if you don't get an email, then how do you know it's for you?
Yeah.
फिर उसने he digged into it and he found out he was only supposed to pay 5 lakh rupees.
Really?
So now imagine
God.
you getting scammed and paying so much. Ab now if the poor person had a platform or had a place where he could see how much tax was supposed to be paid, या इतना tax is for him to be paid or whatever, तो he would have not
would have
gotten
been
scammed.
saved, yeah.
He could have been saved. Thank God that he told me and I told him what the whole procedure was, because I somewhere knew. मेरा तो business को alhamdulillah एक time हो गया था, but that poor person, because it was a startup for him and he had zero clue, and वो बेचारा out of he got scared and in that stress he paid.
My goodness, that's horrible. That's really horrible.
That's really, I think, bad on people again. But then I think we need such platforms and such safety where we can
support each other and kind of awareness.
Yeah,
so I
we
think
need that
again जो
awareness.
आपके friend को पूरा process जो इतना horrible face करना पड़ा, I think उसकी main वजह और मैं नाज़रीन के सामने emphasize करना चाहूँगी वो
is
है
the
awareness.
yes. When you're in a startup business,
Yeah.
आपको awareness नहीं होती है. मुझे भी बहुत चीज़ों की नहीं थी. And slowly and gradually, thank God, मेरे साथ कोई बड़ा scam alhamdulillah नहीं हुआ. But with my neglect, because I neglected something, तो उस पे on top, like I told you, I was about to be sealed.
Yeah.
So that happened because of my, negligence.
Yeah.
But
But again, you were not aware of it.
I was not
right?
aware
yeah,
of it.
So it wasn't even your negligence. I think.
I was not aware of it. But then, thank God, I was not scammed into it.
Absolutely.
But because I was calling for connections and stuff to fix a situation, I was demanded though.
Yeah.
For
Achha.
money from
Oh.
different agents.
Really?
That, okay, if you want certain thing to be fixed,
Yeah.
so maybe if you pay a certain amount, we can help you get this, sorted in lesser time.
Okay.
क्योंकि अब अगर आपका सैलून बंद है 2-3 दिन के लिए, it's affecting my work, and it was really affecting my work. So that certain person said, okay, if you pay me a certain amount, I can just get you this sorted jaldi, or you can be back to work. So yeah, a lot of things happen,
Yeah.
a lot of people scam you, a lot of people demand for things,
Yeah.
and a lot of people think, okay, this is the person I can make money off of,
Yeah. Yeah.
and I could help you. So one should be very, very smart. I feel.
And I think you need to do your research also.
Do your
जो भी business
research.
शुरू करने जाओ उसका research करो, understand करो,
Yeah.
and then you jump into it.
Yeah.
And thanks to S-Boss now I think.
Thank God
Yeah.
for S-Boss, because honestly अगर एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म पे सब कुछ अवेलेबल है, तो और ना तो आपको स्कैम होने की जरूरत है, ना तो people will use you as that person to make money off of,
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, I think thank God we have such that the world, that our country is now, bringing new, opportunities for us and new platforms for us, and making it easier for us. That is one thing that we should really focus on कि अब बहुत चीज़ें आसान हो गई हैं हमारे लिए, and thank God.
Yeah. So I think digitization has played a very important
It
role
really
in this.
has,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I hope it further does as well.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
you know, new things come to us, and more, you know, हमारे कामों के लिए और smoothness हो, and you know, easy हो हमारे काम के लिए.
So Gulali, keeping all this conversation in mind, आपको लगता है कि जो talented खवातीन हैं, जैसे आप हैं माशाल्लाह, आपने तो
Yeah.
नहीं, आपने हिम्मत नहीं छोड़ी, बट हमारी बहुत सारी खवातीन घर बैठ के हमें इस वक्त देख रही होंगी, तो क्या आपको लगता है कि talented खवातीन जो है वो इन्हीं सारे मसाइल की वजह से hesitant होती हैं
Of
इस
course,
दुनिया में
yes,
आने से?
yes, of course.
क्या वजूहात होती हैं कि they're so hesitant to even take that step?
Yeah. I think एक तो patience, a lot of people, a lot of women and men both lack patience. So you need a lot of patience when you're doing all of this, when you're stepping out, especially then, because someone or another will have a problem with you or will bring a problem for you. You know, both of this, be it women or men, both, they will bring either a problem for you, or they'll either cause a problem for you, or there's going to be a new entirely situation in your life where you're going to be like, Acha, ab how do I deal with this, you know. So you need a lot of patience, you need a lot of patience, and you need again a lot of you know, knowledge as well. So do your homework, research, and see what all is required.
Yeah.
And if we have platforms like S-Boss, or you know, I hope in future और भी हमारे पास ऐसे कुछ you know और platforms आए, systems आए जिससे हम ना ही सिर्फ सीख सकें पर अपने लिए आसानी भी कर सकें, you know, where we can just sit home and register ourselves, or we can just sit in our offices while we're at work, or we don't have to travel all the way to do all of these things, you know. आप office पे बैठे बैठे ही सारे काम कर लो, because that's what office is, to manage all the work, right?
Yeah.
So if we can sit at our offices or at our homes and manage all of that, nothing better.
Absolutely. So we're coming to the same point. We're both, I think, thinking alike right now. Digitization और जिद्दत का जो ये दौर है, इसको मद्देनजर रखते हुए, how do you think S-Boss, being a digital initiative, plays a critical role, you know, in empowering women entrepreneurs? In terms of, you know, जो आपने complexities हमने सारी डिस्कस की हैं, इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने में और उनकी ज़िंदगी आसान करने में घर बैठे बैठे किस तरह से S-Boss उनकी मदद कर सकता है?
Yeah, एक तो you don't have to go to these offices. You don't have to do all of that query that we did back in 10 years ago. कि इधर जा रहे हैं, उधर जा रहे हैं, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन के लिए जा रहे हैं, या सिर्फ आप एक जगह जाके you go to an office and you only want to collect a certain data, लेकिन that person is going to send you to another office just to collect that data.
Yeah.
Just for that also, you know, you don't have to go to several offices to just collect that data. Or not only for the startups, but also for already established you know, businesses, this will work in our favors, because I can keep a track now. I can just sit at my office and keep a track.
Absolutely.
And for a newbie or for a startup business, you know, person, they can at least have that awareness now and make it easier for themselves.
True.
Rather than doing all the, you know, extra long hours of, you know, going here and there and doing all of that stuff. This is easier for us now.
Yeah,
So I'm
yeah.
glad we're in finally in our, you know, in that world where things are getting easier for us in that time.
And the journey is being
Yes,
simplified.
yes.
And like you mentioned कि बजाय इसके कि वो 10 ऑफिस के चक्कर लगाएं, वो घर बैठे बैठे कर सकते हैं.
एक ही जगह से आपको सब कुछ आ रहा है, you know?
बिल्कुल. और दूसरा ये भी है कि सिर्फ बिजनेस स्टार्ट करते वक्त नहीं, बल्कि
Even the
during-
established businesses.
Yes, even that
Even
S-Boss
those,
helps with that
yes,
also.
Yes,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
even when you are an established business already, you look into you know, putting your hand in other businesses as well. Like I already had a business, but I was then also I bought a restaurant, and then I launched a restaurant. For both of that, I had to again do the whole process.
So even for the restaurant part, you did the manual processing, like
Yes,
all over
all
again.
over it,
Oh my
all over
God.
again. But of course, it had
Yeah, but you
no,
were learned
now
by then.
yes, but still, जाना तो मुझे पड़ा ना.
पड़ा
I
था.
had to go to the offices again and to do all of that. But honestly, yeah. अब जो मैं दूसरी registration करूँगी अपने restaurant की, you know,
Inshallah.
I'll just have to open my.
You will have to only use
only
S-Boss.
use S-Boss
That's
and
about
do
it.
all of that.
And
So
if you need
easier
any
that
help,
way.
you could go to the business facilitation center.
Exactly,
And
I
ask
can
them.
just go to the
Yeah.
business facilitation
Yeah.
center and
let them
ask
do
for all
for
of
you.
it.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
Exactly. So I think it's much easier
Much
for me
easier.
now.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
So जाहिर है हम जब भी कोई काम शुरू करते हैं हर प्रोसेस में हर चीज़ में हमारा एक मेंटोर ज़रूर होता है
Yeah.
you know
Yeah.
there's someone or there could be a few people not one only
Yeah.
so do you think you have a mentor who has been supporting or guiding you throughout your journey?
As a mentor, initially I think it was my mom, but then of course she was never in the outside world.
Yeah.
So then again we have several mentors.
Yeah.
Then my partner who bought the restaurant with me became
Yeah.
my mentor.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so he helped me through. अब जो काम मर्दों वाले थे जो I felt very I didn't want to do it, or I felt hesitant to do it.
Yeah.
I put that job on him. That
Yeah.
okay, now you help me out in these departments.
Yeah.
Now this is your domain. My domain is just with the marketing, with the creativeness. You work on that. So yeah, my mentor was eventually my partner. Yeah. So I think he really helped me out. And then when I thought of launching my other business, so of course because he was not a part of that venture, so then they don't want to be a part
Of that particular era.
particular
Yeah.
So I think then I was all by myself again. So now I think on to S Boss. So
Yes, you are on to S Boss now.
on to S Boss
That's
now.
wonderful.
Yes,
That's wonderful.
yes.
So before we actually go towards conclusion, Gulalai, it's a wonderful conversation. As much as I want to continue this,
Yeah.
but I'd like you to, you could tell our audience, हमारी जितनी भी ख़वातीन, नाज़रीन, सामीन हमें देख रहे हैं, मैं चाहूँगी कि आप उनको बताएं कि you being an inspiring entrepreneur,
Yeah.
what is your message to the aspiring entrepreneurs? वो जो business की दुनिया में कदम रखना चाहती हैं, वो जो आगे बढ़ना चाहती हैं, वो जो घर बैठी इस वक्त देख रही हैं और सोच रही हैं कि मैं भी ये काम कर सकती हूँ.
Yeah.
And I'm sure आपकी ये पूरी conversation सुन के ना
Yeah.
बहुत सारी ख़वातीन inspire होंगी, like I'm also
Yeah,
inspired,
yeah,
you know.
thank you.
So what is your message to these women?
I think my message will always and forever be that be as confident as you can, and don't be scared of anything, and don't let anyone scare you. That also, and just stay as consistent as you can, because आज नहीं तो 4 साल बाद, 3 साल बाद या पहले ही साल में it might kick it off for you, and you never know. Your patience will be such a power for you. You have to be very patient. One thing, consistency, patience, confidence are the 3 things you need in your life.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Consistency, patience and
And
confidence.
confidence,
तीन चीज़ें चाहिए.
And
ज़बरदस्त.
if you have that, trust me, you guys, you can achieve anything you want.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you so very much for your time.
Thank you for
Gulali. It was a
having me.
wonderful
With you
conversation.
too.
I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Thank you.
And I'm sure that you've inspired many women today like
I
myself.
hope so. I hope all the women
And I
step
wish
out
you
now.
all the very best to
Thank
your
you so
new
much.
ventures, to your existing ventures, and inshallah to your newly married life as
Thank
well.
you
All
so
the very
much.
best to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. जी नाज़रीन, जैसे कि मैंने इस कॉन्वर्जेसन से बहुत कुछ सीखा है, मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप लोगों ने भी बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा, और यकीन है मुझे कि आज की इस एपिसोड के बाद जितनी भी ख़वातीन ने हमें आज बैठ के देखा है, वो इसके फ़ौरन बाद वो क्लिक करेंगी, एस बॉस की वेबसाइट पे जाएंगी और अपना प्रोसेस स्टार्ट कर लेंगी. आज हमने ना सिर्फ गुलालाई की लाइफ में, जर्नी में जो स्ट्रगल्स थे वो देखे, वो समझे, बल्कि हमने ये भी देखा कि ठीक है हमारे मुल्क में और लोगों में चीज़ें आ जाती हैं, चैलेंजेस हो जाते हैं, मगर उनको जिस डिटाई के साथ और जिस डिटर्मिनेशन के साथ, जिस कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ आप डील करते हैं, वैसे ही आपका आउटपुट और रिज़ल्ट भी आता है. सो गुलालाई इज़ एन इंस्पिरेशन फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. उन्होंने तमाम प्रॉब्लम्स और इश्यूज़ और चैलेंजेस के बावजूद शी ओवरकम दैट एंड शी मेड हर मार्क. और ऐसे ही आप भी चाहें तो अपना लोहा मनवा सकती हैं और अपना बिज़नेस शुरू कर सकती हैं. इसके लिए आपको सिर्फ ये करना है कि एस बॉस जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म को आपको इस्तेमाल करना है. आप क्लिक करें, एस बॉस की वेबसाइट पे जाएं, इस प्रोसेस को फॉलो करें, आपकी घर बैठे बैठे तमाम चीज़ें हो जाएंगी. एस बॉस इज़ देयर टू सपोर्ट यू. सिंध गवर्नमेंट ये इनिशिएटिव हमारे लिए लाया है ताकि हम अपने घर बैठे बैठे बिज़नेस स्टार्ट करें और ख़ुद मुख्तार हो जाएं और अपने बॉस खुद बनें. थैंक यू सो वेरी मच. इंशाल्लाह जल्दी मिलते हैं अगली एपिसोड में. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.